Advanced manufacturing in northern Nevada has had a tremendous growth over the last few years.
As an industry, we really have a huge need of individuals.
This job definitely, starting out, already pays better than my manager position at the fast food place I worked at.
So you are looking at an industry that pays an average wage of close to $57,000 a year.
I'm from Mexico. When I came here, my first job was housekeeping. I was afraid to go to school because I didn't know the system.
This is where LEAP comes in. We are providing the workforce that industry needs.
I was amazed because I didn't know this existed. I kept going to college and taking more classes.
My company has paid for all the costs all the way through graduation.
There's a really big opportunity to grow here.
There's jobs for everyone, for every stage.
You just have to look for the opportunity. Don't pass it up.